Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Mullion Striker on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Mullion Striker for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The Mullion Striker is located on the ceiling of the refrigerator compartment. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the striker in place. If you want to purchase a new Mullion Striker, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the Mullion Striker into the retaining slot, being sure the screw holes are aligned. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this one, please consider subscribing.